want to tell y'all about this pasta, about these noodles, whatever you want to call it. But this pasta is so good and it's keto friendly. You can eat so much, like it's so filling. And me, I love pasta. However, I'm trying to lay off the carbs. Like I don't want to have that much carbs. But this right here, I just tried it one day and I'm so glad that I did. I love it. I don't know if a lot of you guys, like for people that's like, you know, funny with textures, y'all might not like it, but I love it. You see, I got this kind. I got the spaghetti kind, the fettuccine kind, and I also got the angel hair. So far, I like the fettuccine. I always get that, but the spaghetti one is really growing on me. If you just craving pasta, but you don't want that many carbs, definitely get skinny. It's my go-to. I also got some soups, Progresso. I got some Splenda because I like Splenda, honestly. I don't know. I like it. Some cheese because that is my kryptonite. No matter what, I have to have cheese. I'm trying to lay low off of cheese, but it's tough. This is one thing that's tough for me is cheese. I got me some fruit. I have regular fruit. However, I tried this and it was so good. I was just like, dang. So I had to get them. They come in 4 peaches and cream, and they were really good. Although they may not be good for you, because now I'm hearing that these cups is not good for you, but you know what? Nothing is anymore. So you gotta do what you gotta do. But I have fresh fruit. I'm gonna get more fresh fruit. But I like going, like with certain things like that, I wanna go to the store and look at it myself. So like my lettuce, my fresh fruit, things like that, I want to go to the store and get it myself. So that's what I got. And one more thing, I got this clam sauce. So I got this clam sauce, which is really, at first it was weird, but I added tomato paste to it and it actually tastes pretty good. And I used this with my pasta that I showed you guys. Yeah, I was actually surprised. I was scared at first because it wasn't tasting what I like, how I wanted it to taste. But once I added tomato paste, it definitely came in clutch. So if y'all get this, I say add tomato paste and then you'll be good. Yeah, that's all I got. I look crazy right now, but you know, it is what it is. Y'all know me. And I'm just gonna put all this food away and do what I gotta do. So hey you guys, welcome back to a new vlog. I want y'all to see this. This is what happens when stress takes over and months pass. What, like a year pass? I don't know. But this is what happens when stress takes over you and you forget about things. And I can't even look in the camera right now because I'm looking at this hair and how bad I really let it get this bad. It's at its worst. But that ends today because I'm getting ready to get my hair done. I don't know, even then I was contemplating on getting it done because I feel like I just have so much work to do. But I need this done. Like, I need to start taking care of myself better. So I'm gonna get my hair done. I know they're gonna be making fun of me in Spanish. They're gonna be talking so much shit. I already know. But I'm accepting it because I did it to myself. And you know, I'm still gonna be stressed, but we're gonna do better. We're gonna do better. So I don't know. I feel like because I haven't been taking care of it, I'm gonna need a trim. I'm thinking about doing layers, but we're just gonna see how it looks. I really hope it's not that bad. We're gonna go. All right. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, or you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now.
look like? Do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now.
Hands on my knee, flawless begin. Hop off a chick, and they get rich. Let's do no more, and I get a chick. You selling wrong on my pants and my jeans. Chanel a dress, you know my mess. I eat a flesh, you know the rest. Count up a hundred, couple Rolex. Shine like the sun, you choose.
What's up now? Oh, can I get you that? What else? Oh, man, no shadows in the building. NBA, I need to teach y'all that. Y'all was good at that. And the whole NBA is here.
Hi, my sweet babies.
Hey, my sweet babies.
I'm back. I'm eating right now, so if y'all see something, I'm sorry in advance. Just let it rock. Just let it rock. But as I was eating, I was thinking like, dang, I don't think I ever showed y'all like my hair. Like, I just went. I think I might have some clips because I went somewhere. So I might have clips, or I probably showed y'all that. But yeah, I never showed y'all when I actually finished getting my hair done. So yeah, my hair is done. But as you can see, it's in a ponytail because clearly things didn't go as planned. Y'all know me. I can keep my hair to last for like 3 months. Like, I could keep it for a long time. However, this go round, I just knew something wasn't right. This thing right here, it needs all the heat that it could get. I'm sorry, but it does. So I was getting my hair done, and I just feel like it wasn't given the way it usually gives. And I didn't flat iron my hair this time. So it still looked nice. And I was just like, you know what? Okay, we're going to let this rock. But I just knew that something was up. And then when I got to my destination, it was cool. I got to my second destination. Puff the Magic Dragon. Okay? It looked crazy. And I might have a clip of that as well. It looked crazy. So I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm kind of annoyed, but I don't think I'm extremely pissed off because my hair wasn't even able to get in a ponytail. That's how bad it was. So the fact that I could do this is an improvement. However, I think that I'm going to straighten my hair to get it back because it's not bad. I tied my hair up and it flattened it, so that's good. But I think I'm going to straighten my hair and just go at it at that. Whatever happens, happens. But the hair salon, they dropped the ball. They really did. Ain't no way that my hair puffed up that bad. It looked like I had a interesting or great time. You know, that's what it was given, and that's not what happened. So I don't know what to say. But my hair did look good, I guess. So there we have it. But yeah, y'all, it's raining. I'm just chilling in the house eating. I'm always chilling in the house, but today I'm chilling in the house. I'm eating. I'm catching up on some vlogs, and then what do I have to do? I have to do something. I just can't think of it. But yeah, so I will see y'all later.